Let's discuss about the LJUST string function. The LJUST string function will return a left justified string of a given minimum width. If the width is less than the string provided, it will return the original string. The LJUST string function takes an optional fill char parameter which will fill the spaces in the string according to the width provided. So let's take an example of the word Python and apply the LJUST string function and provide a width of 10 and execute it. As you can see, the word Python is left justified or left aligned to the string, and the extra width is filled with spaces as no fill char parameter is being provided. If we take the same word Python and again apply the LJUST string function with the width of 10, and now we provide a fill char parameter of $, and execute this line of code, we will see the extra spaces are filled with dollars as the fill char parameter is provided as $, and the string Python is being left aligned. So this is the utility of the LJUST string function. Thanks all for watching this video till the end.